Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Let's learn the colors. Yellow color, this is yellow color. Purple color, here purple color. Gray color, gray color. This is dark brown color. Orange color. Let's color these letters. Violet color, violet color. A, letter A. A is for apple. A is for apple. Apple means shape. Apple. B is for banana. Black color. Letter B. B is for banana. Letter B. Brown color. C. C is for cherry. C is for cherry. Purple color. Letter D. D is for duck. D is for duck. This is letter D. You can color with any color you like. Dark green color, letter E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Yellow color, letter F. F is for fish. F is for fish. Pink color, letter G. G is for goat. G is for goat. Letter G. This is letter G. G is for goat. H. H is for horse. H is for horse. Letter H. H is for horse. Orange color. I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. Letter I. Sky blue color. Letter J. J is for juice. J is for juice. Letter J. Red color. K. K is for kite. K is for kite. Letter K. Dark blue color. Letter L. L is for line. L is for line. Letter L. M. M is for mango. M is for mango. Letter M. M is for mango. N. N is for nose. Letter N. N is for nose. This is letter N. Can you name any other word with letter N? Yes, nature. O. O is for orange. And this is orange color. O is for orange. The orange is orange color. This is orange. Letter O. P is for parrot. Parrot is green in color. P is for parrot. Letter P. This is letter P. Q. Q is for queen. Letter Q. Q is for queen. And Q is also for Holy Quran. Muslim religious book. R. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. Letter R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for sunflower. S is for sunflower. Letter S. T. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. This is letter U. V. V is for volcano. V is for volcano. Letter V. W. This is violet color. W is for watermelon. W is for watermelon. Violet color. Letter W. X. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. Letter X. Letter Y. Dark blue color. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. And the last letter is letter Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Wow, we have done, dear kids, so beautiful. Do the same practice and like this video, share it and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.